Hey guys, snoring happens when the flow of air through your mouth and nose is blocked. Several things can interfere with airflow, including allergies or when someone have a sinus infection. Problems in your nose, such as a deviated septum, when the wall that separates one nostril from the other is off-center. Or nasal polyps can also block your airways, poor muscle tone in the throat, and being overweight can cause snoring, including in children. Drinking alcohol or taking prescription drugs like muscle relaxers can also make your tongue and throat muscles relax to a point that triggers snoring.
If she snores. That's a good one. I've never had anyone that snored before. Snoring bothers you? Hell yeah. Let me go to sleep first. Some women snore, especially the ones I like, them 185, 200, 220. Oh, they be snoring? Man.
Hey Shannon, your lady might need a sleep study. Call the doctor. She might need a machine to monitor sleep while at home, or spend the night in a lab for a test called polysomnography. It will measure things like heart rate, breathing, and brain activity while sleeping.
Here is a few lifestyle changes that you may need: losing some weight, decrease alcohol consumption, minor surgery to fix your nose, or remove blockage, or use of a CPAP or BiPAP machine. CPAP is a positive airway pressure machine, reduces snoring by blowing air into your airways while you sleep. Apnea are episodes in which breathing stops during sleep and gasping for air. Many insurances cover CPAP or BiPAP machines. General costs between $500 and $3,000. They have different pressure levels. I'll upload another video on how to operate the machine.